Welcome to Define the Team of Teams. After watching this video, you'll be able to define the team of teams concept and explain how the program manager manages teams effectively. Did you know that the U.S. Navy's Primary Special Operations Force, or SEAL teams, operate as a team of teams? Each smaller team in these elite, highly trained units excel in their own area, but collaborate and communicate seamlessly with others for complex missions. The team of teams is an integrated team structure that creates a network relationship across all projects, products, and processes. It is connected vertically and horizontally and forms a cohesive structure that allows for shared strategy and empowered execution. The team of teams structure is a key aspect of the program's organizational governance system that facilitates value delivery. In an organizational setting, a program manager identifies and leads the team of teams. The program manager must create an overall program organizational structure that enables all key stakeholders to successfully complete all program work and deliver anticipated benefits. Many key program stakeholders may need to be included in the team of teams. This includes project team members, functional managers, sponsors, customers or clients, end users, suppliers or vendors, and other stakeholders. Project team members are directly involved in executing project tasks. Functional managers are responsible for specific departments or functions within the organization. Sponsors provide the necessary resources, support, and advocacy for the program's success. Customers or clients provide requirements and feedback that leads to a program's success. End users use or interact with the program's deliverables once they are completed. Suppliers and vendors provide the goods, services, and resources to support the program. Other stakeholders, such as regulators and government agencies, have an interest or influence on the program. To manage teams effectively, the program manager must identify critical stakeholders early in the program. Roles and responsibilities must be shared and understood. The program manager must also ensure timely and accurate access to information. Additionally, they should develop key tools such as Work Breakdown Structures, or WBS, Responsible, Accountable, Consult, and Inform Matrices, or RACI, and Responsibility Assignment Matrices, or RAM. Now let's consider an example of a new project that requires data analysis from Team A and some technical expertise from Team B. As the program manager is aware of Team A's strong analytical skills and Team B's unfamiliarity with the data, he uses a coaching style to guide Team B to align with the technical requirements while letting Team A take the lead on analysis. This way, the program manager should always use situational leadership skills to define tasks and build relationships that are acceptable to each individual stakeholder. Next, the program manager should also select the correct Project Manager Information System, or PMIS, to share data and initiate effective communications. Examples of such tools include Microsoft Project, Primavera, Asana, Jira, and Smartsheet. In this video, you learned that the team of teams structure is a key aspect of the program's organizational governance system. The program manager identifies and leads the team of teams. Many key program stakeholders may need to be included in the team of teams. This includes project team members, functional managers, sponsors, customers or clients, end users, suppliers or vendors, other stakeholders. Finally, you learned that to manage teams effectively, the program manager must identify critical stakeholders early in the program, and roles and responsibilities must be shared and understood.